Are you in search of the top 3D scanning services in Lajpat Nagar, Delhi NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to fulfill all your scanning needs. With their state-of-the-art technology and expertise in the field, they are undoubtedly the best in the business. Whether you need 3D scanning for architectural purposes, product design, or any other application, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from the rest is their commitment to delivering top-notch quality and precision in every project they undertake. Their team of highly skilled professionals ensures that no detail is overlooked and that the end result is nothing short of perfection. With their advanced equipment and extensive knowledge, they can capture even the most intricate details with utmost accuracy. One of the reasons why Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as the top 3D scanning service provider in Lajpat Nagar, Delhi NCR is their ability to cater to a wide range of industries. Whether you are in the automotive sector, healthcare, fashion, or any other industry, they have the expertise and experience to meet your specific requirements. Their versatility and adaptability make them the go-to choice for businesses looking for reliable and efficient 3D scanning services. Not only does Scon Design India Pvt Ltd excel in providing top-notch 3D scanning services, but they also prioritize customer satisfaction above everything else. They understand that every project is unique and requires a personalized approach. That is why they work closely with their clients to understand their vision and deliver results that exceed expectations. With their attention to detail and commitment to excellence, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd ensures that every client leaves with a smile on their face. If you're looking for the best 3D scanning services in the bustling neighborhood of Lajpat Nagar in Delhi NCR, then look no further. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to provide you with top-notch scanning services that will leave you amazed. With their expertise and state-of-the-art technology, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is revolutionizing the way we capture and replicate objects in the 3D world. When it comes to 3D scanning, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is at the top of their game. Their team of skilled professionals are experts in capturing intricate details and creating accurate 3D models. Whether it's for industrial design, architecture, or even medical purposes, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. Their dedication to excellence and commitment to delivering the highest quality results sets them apart from the competition. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other scanning services is their use of cutting-edge technology. They utilize the latest in 3D scanning equipment and software to ensure precise and detailed scans every time. Their team is constantly staying up to date with advancements in the industry, ensuring that they are always at the forefront of innovation. Not only does Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offer exceptional scanning services,